Hey everyone, it's me Jody. Welcome back to our HONO series. Today, I'm excited to share with you some latest updates to our expense tracker app. We've added some powerful yet cool features to the application. So let's go. You can now edit an expense, you can sort an expense, you can search for specific entries, you can also add custom tags. I'll walk you through each feature, and at the end, I'll share with you some exciting new features we're going to be building on. So let's go. Great. Let's dive in. Cool. So I'm just logging in, successfully logged in. Bam. Cool. So this is our landing page. As you can see, there's a ton of new updates to the application. First things first, we can actually just see the total at the top here. You've seen that before. But here we've got our expenses. We can now select the category. This is working fine. And then we can add a description. You've also seen that, but the cool thing I want to show you is the first thing is the search. So we can do coffee, and then coffee appears, and if we do that, it goes back. Pretty cool. We can do filter by tag of our fixtures. So you can select home, and then home shows only, which is pretty cool. So that's the tags we're talking about. And then we can also sort. So let me unselect this, and then let me sort by date, and we'll see the oldest, or the oldest top, and then the newest, which is yesterday here. Pretty cool. Sort by amount, same thing as well, and then sort by category. You will see they will be categorized miscellaneous at the bottom. So yeah, these are the updates. You can also add a date as well. So you select the date, you can add an expense. So yeah, this is basically a walkthrough of the new updates that I've added, and let's look through the application from start to end. Cool. Lastly, let's test the edit feature. So I forgot. Let's do this. And it was 200. Let's make it 100. And let's recategorize it food. Or you can leave it as coffee. And let's make this meal. Edit and expense. And now we have coffee, we have food, we have meal. So basically, you can see it's working. We can actually update. So we edit it again one more time. Let's maybe say, okay, now it was actually 300 bucks. Leave it as food. We can put meal. We can just put lunch, meal and lunch as well. So those two, and then I can just put meal for staff and up. And then as you see, we'll update it, and now we have basically both meal and lunch as our tag. So this helps to just better categorize or better sort of structure, give more detail, give more meaning to your actual expense, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Cool. So we're going to look at a quick overview of where the expense tracker is, the features we have, or what we can do, and what we'd like to do in the future. So currently, we can add expenses, we can edit expenses, we can delete expenses, we can sort expenses by date, categories, and amount, which is pretty cool. And we can search for expenses. So if we have a long list of expenses and we want to maybe find a particular one, you can actually type it in. Pretty cool. We can add custom tags. This is actually my favorite one because it just gives a bit more detail to your expense, like lunchtime, mealtime, urgent, that sort of thing. um, Future plans. So what we can possibly do is we can add like a category summary where, like, if we go to like our food category, we can say like what is the summary of all of the total items I've spent for food, for example. So get like a nice visual breakdown. We can have future plans of sharing the budget. So let's say you have like a roommate, a friend, partner, a parent, basically anyone that you basically want to have insight also with to your actual page or your expenses. We can include that as well. We're also going to work on encrypting your amounts, basically a fancy word for just making sure that your data is secure. So obviously, as the app scales, people use it, you want your data to be sort of secure and safe. So we'll be looking at just encrypting it and also generating reports as well. So there's a ton of other ideas and stuff. But I'll be keen to hear like what you guys have. Oh yeah, by the way, please, if you would like to find out more and want to just learn, find out more about these posts, please can you like and subscribe as well. So thank you. I'd maybe like to talk about some challenges I faced when I was building the application. So on the back end, I didn't do too much. I've basically just added a new column for tags because I wanted to keep track of the like each and every tag. So basically, I just added a column to my table, that sort of thing, and I just made some changes on the back end so that at least whenever I add and I assign it to an actual expense, it can kind of be persisted. And then I think in terms of all the other filtering and stuff, I'm actually doing that on the front end. Um, I think I just wanted to make it simpler for myself, and there's quite a lot of work on the front end I'm doing. It's pretty cool because like it kind of showed me that a lot of things can be done on the front end, but I'm probably going to want to move that to the back end to the back end as well. Um, there wasn't too many challenges outside of those two, but yeah. So, in closing, I think I'm really proud of how far the expense tracker has come, and I can't wait to add those other features and learn alongside you guys. What do you think about these new updates? Like, can you please like, comment, subscribe? Let me know what you think about them, and maybe what you'd like to do next. So, what would you like it to turn into? A mobile app, something else? Please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and yeah, let's let's keep going.